let's see if this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the same color. That's the same color. Yes, sir. That's the same color. Thank God. Look. Look, guys. See? That's the same exact color from the AC nubs that I have. Those little round things that go on the AC buttons. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Yesterday, I didn't get to finish the dashboard because it was raining hard, like really hard. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, man, because that color on that dashboard is driving me crazy. It's two different colors. After I pick up the package, not even a minute later, man, it started pouring like really hard. It was raining really hard, so I couldn't get it done, but we for sure gonna get it done today. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this, man. It's very easy, very simple. You just gotta have patience, my guy. You just gotta have patience, bro. Just that's all it is. But I just wanted to change it because it don't match, bro. Like it don't match the other red. You feel me? So I was like, yo, I cannot be driving with this shit. Like, I don't like it. So people don't be really in my car like that, but I don't give a damn. I'm going in my car. So when I see that, bro, I was like, yo, no, this do not match. So I chose to change it so it can look better. So you guys stay tuned. You're going to see how it do. It's very easy. Like I said, very simple. You just got to have patience. You're going to sweat a little bit because it's hot as hell, but it's good to do it on a hot day. That way the little thing can be kind of bendable because them things, man, sometimes them shits, boy, I tell you, them shits be annoying, bro. Trying to push them things in and it comes out, and you gotta make sure it's really in there, you know, in there, you know. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Bye. Man, that logo it looks good, man. That decal looks good, guys. It looks real good. So I got my scissors and I got the pack. So let's get this done real. So I'm about to start by taking this off, and we're gonna start. I gotta take all of this off, the doors, everything. I gotta take it off. So let's go ahead and start doing that, guys. Take all this, put this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it all off. It come out easy, as you can see. Look, easy. Just pull it, it comes off very easy. You can see. I'm gonna take this off right here. Take this off right here. Oh. Take this off. I'm not gonna put these on here. I'm gonna leave them just like this. And then I'm gonna take the door panels out too. So it's all out, real fast, real easy. about to go ahead start putting this one in. As you can see, it matched that AC, but you can see, guys, it's the same color. Thank God. So I'm about to start from right here all the way in here. I want you guys to see. It's like right here in the back, and then we're gonna work our way all the way in there. It matched so good. These things, man, they annoying to put in. It's easy though. You see, guys, it matched. It matched really good. So I don't know if I should do this too, but I think I should. So just so I can, but I'm not doing the steering wheel. The steering wheel, that's not gonna get done. See, guys, so easy. You can do it to your car, man. You ain't gotta spend too much money, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the door panels. Yeah, guys, let's go to the door panels right there. Door panels are in there. Dashboard is in there. Door panel, dashboard. See how it match. I'm not gonna do the steering wheel. I'm not gonna do the steering wheel. I think I'm gonna leave the steering wheel how it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish these doors panels. So guys, I am done. Do not mind the mess. I am done with the whole dashboard. To me, it match. Let me see. Where is that? To me, it match. Oh Lord, what the hell? Yeah. Did the door panels.